Project Aim. Write a note on the comparison of multiple linear regression and logistic regression. Project Overview. This project aims to explore and compare two fundamental statistical techniques, multiple linear regression and logistic regression. By understanding their differences, applications, and methodologies, students will gain insights into how these models are used in various fields for predictive analysis. Project Plan. First, Introduction to Multiple Linear Regression. Multiple linear regression is a statistical technique that models the relationship between a dependent variable and two or more independent variables by fitting a linear equation to observed data. Applications used in predicting continuous outcomes such as sales, temperature, or any other continuous measure. Second, Introduction to Logistic Regression. Logistic regression is a statistical technique used for binary classification problems. It models the probability that a given input belongs to a particular category. Applications used in binary classification tasks such as spam detection, disease diagnosis, yes/no, and customer churn prediction. Third, comparison of multiple linear regression and logistic regression. Dependent variable, predicted value of the dependent variable. Probability of the dependent variable belonging to a category. Assumptions, linearity, independence, homoscedasticity, normality of residuals. Error terms, normally distributed residuals. Use cases, forecasting sales, predicting housing prices. Fourth, real-world examples. Multiple linear regression example, predicting housing prices based on factors such as square footage, number of bedrooms, and age of the house. Logistic regression example, predicting whether a customer will buy a product based on their age, income, and browsing behavior. Fifth, evaluation metrics. MLR R squared, adjusted R squared, mean absolute error, mean squared error. Logistic regression, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. In conclusion, multiple linear regression and logistic regression are powerful statistical tools used for predictive modeling. While MLR is used for predicting continuous outcomes, logistic regression is used for binary classification. Understanding the differences and applications of these techniques is crucial for selecting the appropriate method for a given problem.